Apple's iOS 26.2 update brings some exciting display upgrades to the iPhone. Two of the biggest highlights are the improved dark mode and a brand new feature called Liquid Glass. Together, these tools allow you to create a cleaner, darker, and more modern look for your device. They also improve visibility in low light settings and can even help save battery life, especially on iPhones with OLED displays. Let's start with Liquid Glass. Liquid Glass is a new display option that adds a tinted background effect across your interface. Instead of the usual clear or lightly blurred backgrounds, this feature gives your screen a deeper, more immersive tone. It reduces glare and blends perfectly with dark mode. The result is a smoother and more refined look that feels modern and polished. Turning on Liquid Glass is simple. Open the Settings app, go to Display and Brightness and look for the Liquid Glass option. By default it may be set to clear, just switch it to tinted. Once enabled, you'll immediately notice the difference. Background elements will appear darker and more unified, especially in menus and system panels. This feature works particularly well on OLED screens. OLED displays turn off individual pixels to show true black. That means darker themes can improve contrast and make text easier to read. Liquid Glass enhances that effect by adding depth without making the interface feel heavy. Now let's talk about dark mode. Dark mode has been around for a while, but iOS 26.2 makes it even better when combined with Liquid Glass. If you haven't enabled dark mode yet, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and under Appearance, select Dark. You can also schedule it to turn on automatically at sunset or during specific hours. This is great if you prefer a bright screen during the day and a darker one at night. When dark mode and Liquid Glass work together, the entire interface feels consistent. Apps, menus, notifications, and system elements blend into a unified dark theme. It looks clean and easy on the eyes, but there's more you can do. iOS 26.2 also includes accessibility settings that help you fine-tune the dark experience. These settings not only improve the look but also make the interface easier to use. First, there's reduced transparency. You can find it in Settings under Accessibility. This option reduces the transparency of elements like notifications and the dock. Instead of seeing blurred backgrounds, you get more solid, darker panels. This makes the interface feel more cohesive and can improve readability. Next is Increase Contrast. This setting makes text and interface elements stand out more clearly. It darkens certain areas and sharpens edges, making it easier to read content in low light conditions. There's also Show Borders. This adds white outlines around buttons and interactive elements. In darker themes, some buttons can blend into the background. Borders help you quickly see what you can tap. These accessibility tools are helpful for everyone, not just users with visual impairments. They give you more control over how your iPhone looks and feels. Another big advantage of using dark mode and Liquid Glass is battery life. On OLED iPhones, darker pixels use less power. Since dark mode reduces the number of bright pixels on your screen, it can help extend battery life. Liquid Glass adds to that effect by keeping backgrounds darker. If you use your phone heavily throughout the day, these settings can make a noticeable difference. Reducing transparency and increasing contrast may also slightly improve efficiency, because fewer bright visual effects are used. While the savings won't double your battery life, they can help you squeeze out extra hours. Finally, iOS 26.2 allows you to personalize your display even more. You can adjust how notifications look, customize widgets, and create a dark theme that matches your style. Some users prefer a simple black and white look. Others like a slightly tinted dark interface with depth and texture. Liquid Glass gives you that flexibility. By combining dark mode, Liquid Glass, reduced transparency, and increased contrast, you can create what many call an ultra-dark mode. It looks sleek, feels modern, improves readability, and helps save battery. With just a few quick changes in settings, your iPhone can feel completely refreshed. If you enjoy a darker aesthetic or spend time using your phone at night, these new display features in iOS 26.2 are definitely worth trying.